BMI Reset Plan: What to Eat to Recover After Holiday Feasts. The holiday season often leads to overeating, leaving us with extra weight and a high body mass index, BMI. After indulging in festive feasts, a reset is needed to restore balance and regain control of your health. Here's a simple BMI reset plan to help you recover after the holiday indulgence, focusing on food choices that promote digestion, reduce inflammation, and stabilize your BMI. 1. Hydrate first. Rehydrating is the first step in resetting your BMI. During the holidays, excess sodium and alcohol can lead to dehydration. Start your reset by drinking plenty of water throughout the day to flush out toxins and support metabolism. Herbal teas, like ginger or peppermint, also aid digestion and reduce bloating. 2. Lean proteins for satiety. Incorporating lean proteins like chicken, fish, tofu, or legumes is essential for muscle repair and curbing hunger. These foods help stabilize blood sugar levels and promote long-lasting satiety, preventing the urge to overeat. 3. Fiber-rich fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are key to a successful BMI reset. They are high in fiber, antioxidants, and water, helping with detoxification and improving digestion. Focus on leafy greens, spinach, kale, cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, and high-water fruits, watermelon, cucumbers, to aid in rehydration and cleanse your system. 4. Complex carbs for energy. Rather than cutting out carbs entirely, opt for whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats. These complex carbohydrates provide steady energy and help regulate metabolism without causing blood sugar spikes. They are also rich in fiber, aiding digestion and preventing overeating. 5. Healthy fats for balance. Healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, are important for hormonal balance and overall health. They promote satiety, reduce inflammation, and support heart health, which is especially important after holiday indulgences. 6. Probiotics for gut health. Restoring gut health is crucial after heavy meals. Include probiotic-rich foods such as yogurt, kefir, and kimchi in your diet to help restore healthy gut bacteria, improve digestion, and reduce bloating. 7. Mindful eating. To reset your BMI, practice mindful eating. Slow down and savor each bite to improve digestion, reduce overeating, and help your body recognize when it's full. Smaller, balanced meals throughout the day will aid in weight management and keep your metabolism steady. A successful BMI reset after holiday feasts involves more than just diet changes. It's about re-establishing healthy eating habits. By focusing on hydration, lean proteins, fiber-rich foods, and healthy fats, you can help your body recover naturally. Stick to these balanced choices, and your BMI will gradually return to its optimal range, allowing you to feel rejuvenated and healthier. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.